Wildlife animal control near me. Palm Bay. Wildlife often harbors zoonotic diseases that can be passed to humans. Worried by the health hazards of wildlife invasion. Numerous pests act as reservoirs for disease-causing agents. We're your go-to experts for all your critter removal needs. Call AAAC Wildlife Removal. Trust us to show up on time and do the job right. We'll take any step necessary to deal with the culprits. You'll have a complete understanding of how the wildlife is entering your property. Feel the safety of a home that prioritizes health and safety. You'll want to spread the word about our outstanding services. AAAC Wildlife Removal, Treasure Coast 772-324-3412 https://treasure-coast-wildliferemoval.com 1020 Sally Street, Shea, Palm Bay, Florida 32909